Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a review for Prestige Cosmetics, and if y'all want to see, then keep on watching. Yeah, let's get started. So they sent me a concealer. It is color in light. It's in color in light. It's a really creamy color. It glides so good. So I'm gonna use it to clean my eyebrows. I'm gonna clean the other side. Oh my god, what a big difference. Wow, it looks really good. Thumbs up. Alright, so I'm back with the color, and it's in color medium. And this is how it looks. So I'm gonna use this on the top of eyebrow just to clean it. Oh my goodness! What a big difference. My eyebrow stands up a lot. I really like it. Color orange, and this is for bags like I do. So I'm going to use a little bit of it. So this is how it looks. I definitely need some of this orange, and I'm just going to use my fingers and blend it in. And I'm going to go over with the light concealer. I like the way my eyes look now. Alright, so she also gave me the green one, which is for any anything red in your face. So I got a pimple here. I don't know if you can see it. So I'm going to put a little bit of there, right here, and I do got some red spot underneath my nose. I think that's about it. So let me blend this in. Alright, and then I'm going to go back with the white concealer and then go on top. So this is for like any concealer and deep. This is how it looks like. And this is how it looks like. So I'm just going to put it all over. It's so smooth, guys. It just glides so easily. Alright, so I'm just gonna blend this in. They also sent me a brush, and this is the brush that comes in it. It's so soft, guys. It's really soft. So I'm gonna blend this up. So I'm going to put some concealer on top, a light one. There with the beauty blender. I know I got a round nose. So, okay guys, so I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna do my set my face with the powder, so I'll be right back, guys. So I'm back. So I already bronzed my face and put some blush and yeah, so I already set my face too, so that's already gone. And okay, so on that, I also got this highlighter. Side of my cheek, just a little bit, not too much. So I would definitely list the products down below. And of course I'm going to do my nails, top, this eyeshadow, and it's a really pretty color. It's the color Angel. So this is how the back looks like. Sorry about my nails, my crusty nails, but like a small brush. And I'm just gonna use it on my inner corner of my eye. Use this eyeliner. So now I'm going to use this beautiful color blue. I love it. It's so creamy, look. Wow. And look at the color. It's so beautiful. Like, I fell in love with this color. It's so pretty, right? So I'm going to use that on my under eye, and you're going to see how easy it just glides. It's so pretty. So this is their mascara. It's a really beautiful package. I love the package. I like the design of it. It also says Volume Lash Pumping Effect Mascara. Let's give it a try. And I got no lashes, so pretty good. And look at the wand, it's so big, it's nice. It says combo. This is the name of it. I'm not even trying to pronounce it because I might mess that. So this is and it also glides so good, look. Sorry, right here. Look how pretty this color is. It glides good. See, look, watch. Once I swipe up, look. Wow. It glides really good. So this is what I'm going to put on my lips. So let me draw my lips. I'm going to put it with the lip gloss. This is a really pretty color lip gloss. I'm gonna swatch it for y'all. Look how glossy it looks. It's so pretty, it's very natural too. So I'm just gonna put this on top of my lipstick. And then I'm gonna set my face with my MAC. And I'm also gonna put some falsies, so I'll be right back. So I'm gonna zoom you up to my face so that way you can see. I did have to put false lashes. See, I'm not very obsessed with false lashes, but that's just me. I would definitely write the stuff down below so that way you will know what type of products that I use. And yeah, they're very affordable. Let me know which one is your favorite product. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also leave your turn on your bell so that way you'll be notified every time I post a video. And I just want to say thank you so much for the love and support. You are so sweet, and I hope you like this video. Bye.